Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Milk Toffee is a timeless homemade sweet that instantly brings back childhood memories. Rich, milky, and loaded with crunchy cashew nuts, this delicious sweet is all about slow cooking and simple ingredients. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for milk toffee along with important cooking tips. This authentic recipe is made using condensed milk, sugar, butter, cashew nuts, and vanilla, cooked patiently to achieve that classic soft yet firm texture and deep caramelized flavor that makes milk toffee so special. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious milk toffee. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 400 grams of condensed milk. We have also taken 1 cup of sugar, which we have ground into fine powder using a dry mixer grinder. 40 medium-sized cashew nuts weighing around 100 grams, cut into pieces. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Half cup or 125 ml of water. Pour the water into the empty condensed milk tin. Shake the tin nicely. Save the condensed milk water in a bowl. Use a spoon to release any leftover condensed milk. We will need to line an 8 by 6 inch container with butter paper. Since ours is an 8 by 10 container, we will line a smaller section so we can make this recipe. Make the cuts in the right places like I have done. Keep around 1 to 2 inches of extra butter paper on the sides as it will help in easily lifting the milk toffee after it has set. Neatly line the butter paper to cover all the sides. Lined container is ready. Step 2. Roasting the cashew nuts. On low heat, roast the cashew nut pieces for 3 to 5 minutes until you get a nice aroma and the nuts start to change color. Stir them nicely. Stir frequently to prevent them from burning. Once the cashew nut pieces are roasted, put off the heat and keep them aside. Roasted cashew nut pieces are ready. Step 3. Preparing the milk toffee. In an open thick bottom pan, add the condensed milk. Also add the condensed milk water. Mix it well. Turn the heat on medium-low. Now add the sugar powder. Stir frequently to prevent burning and sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Stir everything nicely and do not let anything stick to the sides or bottom of the pan. Once the mixture starts to thicken, reduce the heat to very low. Stir continuously to prevent the mixture from sticking to the pan. Add the salted butter. If using unsalted butter, then add a pinch of salt. Stir everything nicely. Add the vanilla essence. Stir continuously to prevent burning and sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. Check for sweetness and add sugar powder if required. Add the roasted cashew nut pieces. Stir everything properly so the nuts are evenly spread in the mixture. Once the mixture thickens, it will start leaving the sides and will turn into a thick paste-like consistency. Once done, put the heat off. Milk toffee mixture is ready. Pour the hot milk toffee mixture immediately in the lined container. Make sure it is properly spread around.
Hello everyone. Do check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global, for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box. Or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Finally, use a folded butter paper to level the mixture and get a smooth surface. Cool the milk toffee at room temperature. Do not cover it. Once it has cooled, lift the milk toffee along with the butter paper. Remove the paper and place the milk toffee on a cutting board. Cut the milk toffee into the desired size and shape. Squares or rectangles, whatever you prefer. Store the milk toffee in an airtight container and refrigerate so it stays fresh for a longer duration. Do write a comment and give us your feedback on this recipe. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed. Delicious milk toffee is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.